this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Dun back with another one. Tool haul continuation. So this is the second item from the Walmart Ozark Trail tool haul, and believe me, that orange one, this one, it's on me. Is I got one with the warped blade. Okay, my blade is not straight, and I wish I had something to prove that. I don't have a ruler. I don't have a ruler. I don't think so. But you can clearly see that it is riding. Well, I'll just show you. Look at how off-centered it is. Okay, it's almost touching. It is nowhere near centered. And that is because my blade is warped, not right. It's flexing. It's flexing, but it still works. It's $10 knife. I'm not gonna complain about it. I'm gonna use it until it dies, and then I'm gonna go try to buy another one. You can get them on eBay right now for $25 to $50. It's crazy, people are. But you gotta make your money. It is what it is. But I got one again because I was at the Walmart. So I suggest every time you're at the Walmart, just go check the knife aisle, right? That's what I do. I just go down the knife aisle every time I go to Walmart because I'm at the Walmart once or twice a month. So I just periodically check, and I saw this, and I said, let me get it. They said there's no more. I said, I see one right there. Let me get it. He said, okay, no problem. Let me find the box. Got it for me. Gave me the display. They had about 6 or 7 of these. I said, let me get one of those too. And I went about my business. So this is the 7.5-inch folding knife, Tanto blade, 3.25-inch stainless steel blade with titanium coating. Didn't know it had titanium coating, but now I do. 4.25-inch polypropylene handle, liner lock, pocket clip. Okay, I'm partial to Tanto blades myself, so I might end up liking this one more. The fidgetiness and the flickability of this for $10 is unmatched, straight up. Quality rise, you can, your Benchmades are gonna definitely beat it in that. But the D2 still seems to be holding up. I did carry it for a week. I'll do another review on that like everybody else. But yeah, it seems to be holding up. Again, I got mine from the batch of warped blades. There seems to be a batch of warped blades, and then there seems to be a batch of good blades. So I got one from the set of warped blades, and it's just, you can even feel it when you, that's crazy. Now that I rub my finger against it, you can feel it warped. And it's just off center a tad, but I've been flicking it and playing with it, and my thumb stud's not even black anymore because of how much I done flicked it in a week. The handle is turning colors, but I mean, it is what it is. I work in an environment where there's sealant and all types of stuff. But you came here for this. Let's get it open. There's no name, right? I don't know why they do that, but they do. So it is what it is. Here we go. Badao. It's open. Always recycle. Okay. And there she blows. Yeah. Yep. Tantos are my favorite just because the 2 blade shapes. I can use the tip to spear things or pierce or slice and dice and cut, and then, you know what I mean? So, oh yeah, Smoothie Patootie. Smoothie Patootie. God dang it. Yeah, I like this more than that. That's just me though, because it's got my favorite blade shape, liner lock. That was a hefty 4-tapper. Okay, liner lock, better locking mechanism, tried and trusted and true. Man, the action on this one is not bad out of the box. As soon as I said it was gonna drop shut, it didn't. But I mean, I'm not even flicking it that hard. Reverse flick, all day, all day. And then the colorway, right? So this will match my green gear, right? My army green stuff, right? This will match. This will go. This will go. This will go. Let me get some cardboard, do some little cutty cuts, get a little weight for you. Let's weigh it up, and then I'll get you out of here. But yeah, Ozark Trail, you're improving. You're getting better. So you better go buy this one up too, because the action for $7. Let me test the pocket clip. Give it a little wiggle. It's better. This pocket clip is better than the orange pocket clip. You can see they're different. Okay, this one has a little lanyard hole on it. This one doesn't. This one's more rigid. You can see the swoosh. And because of that swoosh, it goes in the pocket. Easy, schmoody. Wow. Yeah, the $7 knife right now is kicking. If it had a flipper, if this had a flipper, this thing would be tits. If it had a flipper tab, just to go with the liner lock and the thumb stud. Reversible pocket clip, nah, negative. Lanyard hole and pivot. Lanyard hole. Love the Tanto. Love the Tanto. Okay. Supposed to be getting some hardwood. So paper, anybody can cut paper, right? Anybody can cut paper. Look at that, I done cut my goddamn bench. Some bitch. Right in the middle too. Sometimes I do stuff that. Okay. So you know I'm gonna give it to you real. That stainless steel. This D2. Way sharper than that. Okay, you know I'm gonna give it to you real. You can cut cardboard with this stainless steel titanium coated. Yes, you can. But this one's better. That D2 hollow grind smashes this. But this will work all day long for what you need to do. You saw it, just cut cardboard, no problem. Action, these bearings, riding on bearings, gotta be riding on bearings, because I ain't never seen an Ozark Trail. I got Ozark Trail knives right here, but these are axis lock or shaft lock or whatever they call them. See, now that I'm playing with them, I haven't played with these knives in a long time, so now that I'm playing with them, so yeah, they are kind of similar blade shape. Someone pointed that out. Like, if this is a bug out killer, then they've already made one. This is the second version. Just the handle is different and a different blade flipping mechanism, because this one has a flipper and a thumb stud and the axle slot. This one's the best of the bunch. Flipper, thumb stud, but it's one of those stick. See how I gotta let it go, kind of? It's weird. Sucks it in. And then they got better. Right? This one's smoothie patootie, but this one's the best out of the bunch for sure. For sure on the mechanism. But this one's snappy. That's crazy. This might have the best action thumb stud out of. But again, they're supposed to progress, right? And here's your pyrites. Blue. I got a Stormtrooper one coming, the white one. Got the Stormtrooper pyrite light coming, and I might get the rose gold. My thing with the rose gold one is it's really just going to sit. Ooh, almost knocked it all the way over. It's really just going to sit because I'm not going to want to ruin the rose gold coating by cutting with it, right? This is the thing with your Benchmades, right? I'd rather use my knockoff versus my $200 Benchmade if I had one. I don't have one because I'm late to the party on the Benchmades. They made those before I even started. I'm only 2 years in on my EDC journey, y'all. So, almost 2 years in December. So, that hasn't been too long for your boy. But, I ended up getting this. This came in a gift set last year. The Warrenclyffe one, you couldn't buy this one singular. So, if you didn't get it in the gift set with the Tanto and the other one, you didn't get it. So, but one of my viewers was kind enough to part ways with his. He said he really didn't like the blue one, so I'll take it, bud. Thank you if you're watching still. But yeah, let's get a lanyard on this, and then I'm gonna get you up out of here. Oh, let's get it weighed too, huh? Durr. Durr. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-da-da-da-dum, ba-dum. Ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Ba-da-ba-da-da-da-ba-dum. Tear it out. Tear it out. Tear it out. Zero. 231. 287. 231. What these pyrites working with. 2 8s. 151 on the mini bug out. It's one of my favorites. Slicer, boy, that thing. Super thin. So, 2 5-1s. I think these were in the 2 8s. 2 7. 2.64. 2.64, that's funny, they weigh the same. And then these pyrites are different weights. 2.77, and this one was 2.8. Yep. And then this one was 1.5. Okay. So, no, Ozark Trail, Ozark Trail, Ozark Trail, Ozark Trail, Ozark Trail. And then I'll put this one in the middle. Splat out. After I, so we got them weighed. I still feel like that's a front flipper. See what I'm saying? but I don't know how to front flip. But look at that. That's crazy. Definitely a front flipper. So you can front flip these, thumb stud these. Nice. Knives are sharp now. Knives are sharp. Love those though. Top Suns. Top Sun. I don't know if I have a green that'll match. So I'm just gonna have to do black. Cause I'm gonna do blue on that one. Yes, I is. Oh, yes, I is. Or am I gonna go dark? Yep, I'm gonna go navy with that thing. Look at that. Wow, that thing's gonna look nasty. And then I'll put a black one on that one. And we're gonna have to go. So one of these frame screw places is where I like to put mine. All the way at the bottom, as far down as I can get it. Because if I go through the lanyard holes that they make, that I have to go through the scales. So I'd rather go on the pivot or frame screw. My bad. You know y'all always go correct me. Wow. So modification, again, these videos y'all be getting over. So you get a mod. I gotta order some zipper pulls, black zipper pulls. Demo, gotta order some. Okay, so Tanto blade. Let's see how much flex we get. Yeah, let's just. Okay, they can almost touch, but in the hand, feels good. I can see a little bit of a hot spot where the belt clip is. Let me see if it's everyone's favorite. It is tip down carry. Let me know in the comments if that's the death one. I don't know. I think tip up is the holy grail. Tip up carry, but this is tip down. So this one, yep, tip up is the holy grail. So this one's tip up. Tips up. In the pocket, this one, tip down. So I'm assuming what people are saying is when you're coming out of your pocket, you clip it, clip yourself. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh, shit. So there is your new 2024 Ozark Trail Tanto blade. Skadoosh. I'll open all these up because it looks good. Okay, there you go. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.